everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maj, and for today's video, i-update ko kayo regarding kay Venom Testnet. Nag-release sila again ng panibagong project, which is na kailangan natin gawin yung task para maging eligible tayo for their airdrop in the future. I'm really sorry kung wala ako this past few days due to I'm not feeling well, but now medyo okay na ako, guys. So before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my upcoming videos and off the clock episodes. And stay tuned until the end of this video. Don't skip, guys, para alam nyo yung gagawin ng step by step, guys. So si Ventory, matagal na yan, guys, na nakapag early access. So yung iba kasi nagawa nila yan, but now pwede na natin gawin through Venom Testnet. So si Ventory kasi, yung mga projects naman ni Venom Testnet here is may mga own projects din naman talaga yan, guys, na like ito, si Ventory is a NFT marketplace. So nagkaroon siya ng early access way back before, and then mag-mint kayo ng kanilang NFT. So yung mga projects naman dito na tina-tie up ni Venom is mga either may airdrop din sila or naka-establish na yung kanilang site, yung website na yon, na pwede yung gamitin yung Venom wallet. So ang pinakakadalasan naman ng task dito is of course follow their Twitter account, and then ayan, kay Ventory, dahil NFT naman siya, NFT marketplace, so kailangan natin i-sync or i-connect yung ating Venom wallet, guys. And of course, dito naman, don't worry, guys, hindi kayo kailangan maglabas na any kind of gas fee, unlike kay ChainSpot last video natin na kailangan ng BNB gas fee. Dito naman is Venom ang kailangan natin for the gas fee, which is for free naman siya, guys. So let's hope na mag-bullish si Venom in the future, dahil nga naglalabas na tayo ng gas fee. We never know kung sa mga upcoming projects pa ni Venom Testnet is maglalabas pa tayo ng gas fees, guys. But sabi nga ng ibang mga other vloggers na nag-crypto is mas okay nga daw na kapag may mga gas fees ka talaga nilalabas, dahil isa yun sa mga makita mo na mag-bullish yung at maganda yung project na yon, at mag-bullish yung token na ilalabas nila. And then after that, pag natapos ng i-meet nyo sa kailang NFT marketplace, back kayo sa mismong Venom Testnet page, and then i-mint nyo yung Ventory na NFT for the Venom Testnet. So ganoon lang siya kabilis, guys, but make it sure na kapag nag-mint kayo or ihintay nyo siya hanggang mag-successful, kasi kapag lumabas kayo dyan or mamaya is mag-bukas kayo other browser, ma-stop, sayang uulitin nyo naman siya from the start, guys. So let's hope na maging okay si Venom token in the future, katulad nila ZK Sync, Layer 0. I think next year pa to si Venom token, and then kasabayan na siguro nga sila Layer 0, guys, next year, dahil ang dami pang mga kailangan gawin na mga projects. So we already finished 19 projects, so marami pang upcoming. So don't forget this additional task na kailangan para maging eligible kayo for their airdrops, guys, na kailangan i-screenshot nyo yung mismong completed nyo, and then don't forget to copy your Venom wallet address, and then share your experience, guys, of course, and then kailangan ilagay dito sa kanila or upload sa kanilang Discord, guys, yung completed task, kasi naglagay sila ng ganitong task for sure na kailangan yan for in the future to be eligible sa kailang Venom token airdrop. So don't forget, may additional task na sila ng ganito, guys. So from now on, or sa last video natin, start na yun na kailangan yung gawin na to. So open naman na siya. Thank God na hindi na nagkakaroon ng problem, kasi nung nag-start yan, ang tagal, parang hintayin mo kailan mag-open, kasi nga sa daming nagpo-post. Tsaka bawal ng guys, yung I think na-detect nila kapag same IP address, and then dalawa yung gagawin nyo. So make sure one account lang gagawin nyo, guys, kasi last time ganyan ginawa nila na may mga fake accounts daw. So make sure na one account sa isang IP address. Total wala naman siyang referral na kailangan. So, okay naman na gawin yung isang account na lang. So, that's it guys. So, marami pang upcoming projects na coming soon. So, nadagdag yan si Ditto, si Bio Venom. So, let's hope na yan na lang. But, we never know. Next year pa yan, I think na may release yung Venom token. So, until next time guys, update ko lang kayo again. Goodbye!
Let me know.